morning. Welcome to another random video. I have had a very productive morning already. It is actually like 11:50 or something, so it's very close to not being morning anymore. But I've had a doctor's appointment, I've gone to the pet store, I've gone to the chemist, I've done all the things. Kai. And now I need to do a house reset. We've got little piles everywhere. I need to tidy in here. I need to clean the kitchen. The kitchen's a disaster. And I need to clear off the dining table and then wipe all the surfaces down because they're all getting a bit dusty. So he's so cute. They like to sit there when the front door's open and just watch. So I need to pick up all their toys. We might have a quick play before we pick up the toys just to get them some energy out. And then we will start our house reset. You good, baby? Tidy living room. Oh, she hates them. Anyway, lounge room is semi-done. I think I need to clean the filter on the vacuum because the floor is not perfect, but it's now on its way to the bedroom. And the couch also, I need to clean the filter on that hand vacuum too, so I didn't do the best job, but I also haven't done it in like 2 months or something. For a while there, I was doing it once a week, vacuuming the fur, because we let the dogs and the cat on the couch because they're our babies. So we don't deny them the human comforts that we have. So the couch always has fur on it. So I was, for a while, vacuuming it every week, and then I stopped. But it looks pretty good now. Not flawless, but pretty good. This one is just loving the sunshine. Now I need... So glad I vacuumed. You're gonna get smacked. He's hiding. You're hiding. Now I need to move on to the kitchen. It is real bad. It's really bad. I was away this weekend and then I've been working and we've both just been incredibly lazy with it. I don't even want to, I want to tidy it before I film it to show you guys. It's pretty bad. But I'm not going to do that because of real life. So, I could not hold true to my word. I tidied the rubbish. There was like 3 things, but I got rid of the recycling pile that we had going. But it's still a disaster in here. Ironically, the only thing that is actually clean is the stovetop. Normally, everything else is clean, and that looks like a giant mess. But today, we're the other way around. But at least that's one gross job I don't have to do, because she's nice and clean. But everything else Even the dining room is a disaster. So that's full of clean dishes, so at least I can put clean dishes away. Need to find a spot for all that stuff because I took it all out of this cupboard when I put this bin in here. Yay, super happy about that. But then I also still need to get rid of the old bin. So I just need to do things. And we also have the air fryer is back on the bench again because it doesn't fit in any of the cupboards, which is so annoying. And I was so ready for it to not be on the bench anymore. And now it's back because there's nowhere we can put it other than on the fireplace, which it's winter now, so we can't put it on the fireplace because we're using the fireplace occasionally. So I just need to get stuck into this and tidy, put things away that should have been put away, like this, bags. It's all very easy. We've just been incredibly lazy, so let's get to it. One section done. Yay. Well, now that I have successfully covered myself in water, we're mostly done. Just leaving the things that I can put in the dishwasher out. So there's a pile there and then a pile of all the glasses. There's like a special glass setting on the dishwasher, so I'll do that for the cups. And I'm leaving the bottles to air dry. I just need to wipe down the bench and put those things away. Look at that little family just chilling there. But how much better does this look? I've turned this into my rubbish bag. The only thing with the iRobot is it leaves, I call them his poops. This is a tiny one, but he leaves little clumps of hair on the floor that he can't quite get through because of these two's fur, but that's fine. Do a pretty good job. I've dusted everything. I still want to wipe down this stuff, like want to wipe down the bench and stuff. We need to put this back on the stand thingy and hide all these cables and stuff again, but that's an Evan job. I can't lift the TV. And I need to tidy our entryway table. It's got just junk. This rubbish. What is that? Oh, raffle. Clearly we didn't win. That is from the doctor. Hey. Rubbish. That needs to go in Evan's garage. That has a little tear I need to fix. This is for my hanging planter. We're going to replace the chain because I've got 2 from Amazon, but the chains on them are slightly different. So we're going to use this chain instead. That's also rubbish. That's my water bottle. And that's all I can carry with one hand. So let's go put that in the rubbish bin. Hey, baby. This is look at our lovely door. Disgusting. Can't wait to replace that. Anywho, I will take these, put them in my room for fixing. That's just my water bottle, so that comes with me everywhere. But how much better does that look immediately? Yay. We are very close to the washing being done. I'm going to go outside for a while. Okay, see you soon. It's a few days later. This is editing Jess, coming at you with a outro because cleaning Jess forgot. So that's it. I kind of just stopped filming and that was it. That was all I did. Wow. This is a good look. Thank you very much for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed this random cleaning kind of montage, clean with me collection of things. Let me know what else you would like to see from me in the future. Leave a comment down below. If you want to, or a like, or a subscribe, that would be great. Although if you've made it this far, you're probably subscribed already, which if you are, thank you very much. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.